Be careful when you buy tool kits. So I bought one previously and the wall of the wrench itself was just too thick. It wouldn't even fit between the front of my barrel to get the actual bolt undone. So it was useless to me. So I made sure to get one with a smaller kind of outer wall so that it actually fits in between the front of my slide and the actual place where the bolt is. This completely worked for me when the other one didn't. Also comes with a punch tool in order to take the pins out if you're going to add things like beaver tails or if you're going to replace your trigger. And it also has a magazine tool. It's really hard to get magazines apart with your fingers. They're kind of weird to get apart, and this magazine tool helps with that. So this tiny little kit is super simple. It's very small. It fits in my gun case. Very easy to use. And when other things have failed for me to remove my sights, this thing worked. So be careful which one you buy. They're reasonably pricey. You might want to get a couple of different kinds in order to make sure it's going to fit for your specific firearm. But this one for me with a Glock 19 Gen 3 was the one that worked the best. So this is what I use if I'm going to replace my sights or pop out pins or open up magazines to clean them. This is what works for me, and I would definitely recommend it.